Hey, this is Anthony here with All Around Topics. Today we're going to show you how to get this to this. I picked these two fans up used off of OfferUp, and they were 50 bucks a piece. Picked them up. They're in good working condition. Cords are good. So I said, you know what? Let me just try to make it look a little bit better. But I wanted to get it from that to that, you know, where it looks really at least like refurbished, nice and clean, and basically so it can have like a newer look. I still have to paint the grill, but I'm using plastic spray, so yeah, I just want to get it done and let it look decent and presentable when I take it out and go and do my floor work. So I needed them dramatically. I went and did a floor job at a church, and we were doing a strip and wax, and it took so long for the coats to dry, and we were there for hours just waiting around. So I just grabbed these as soon as I saw them, and they turned out to be really good, like a really good buy. But I'm going to show you the process right now and how to get it done. One of the first things that I do is remove the cord, get it out of the way so that I don't get any paint on the cord. Even though it doesn't matter, it's plastic, it'll dry, but I just don't want to make it messy, and I just want to do the best possible job possible. I'm gonna have to fix this cord. It's kind of loose, so probably gonna change the whole cord. But yeah, you get this cord out of the way. But this guy had this fan housed. It was pretty much in an area where they had a large dog. I think they have a bunch of German shepherds. So as you can see, there's like a lot of hair on it. So what I do first is I pretty much try to brush off as much of the hair as possible. You're not going to get it perfect. I mean, I don't need it perfect for what I'm trying to use it for, but I just want to get it where I don't paint over it and pretty much there's dog hair in the paint. So I just brush it off as best I can. Scrub off the grill. Get all this stuff going here. Dust this off. Pretty much dust it off to where it looks decent. The next step is you want to get some paint thinner. I use Clean Strip. It's pretty good. It's cheap stuff, but it still works for what I'm using it for. And I douse down the paint thinner on this cloth. I put the paint thinner on this cloth, saturate it, and pretty much just wipe down the plastic. The reason why you do this is because you want to get the surface as clean as possible so that the paint would adhere to the plastic. So what I do is I clean off all the dust where the paint is not sitting on dust. And just wipe it down. Wipe it down. Try to get in all the crevices. Wipe around. Wipe around, wipe around. So now you got it all wiped down. The next step you want to do is you just want to make it stay here and just flash off a little bit. When I say flash off, pretty much the thinner that you just put on it, if you apply the paint too soon, it'll be runny because of the thinner. It's going to thin the paint. So you want the air just to kind of let it evaporate into the air to where some of the chemicals comes, you know, dissipates into the air from the thinner. And then I'm going to show you guys the next step. All of the thinner dissipated. It's all off of the housing. It's pretty much dry to the touch. Now what I'm going to do is start shaking up my can. You want to make sure you shake the can nice and vigorously so you can get all the paint mixed up. And then what you're going to pretty much do is you want to do one light coat all around just to give the paint a surface to stick to. Nice and light, don't put it too thick. First coat is light. If you put it too thick, it's going to take forever to dry and it's going to probably bubble up and looks horrible. So you do it light all around. Make sure you get in all the crevices. Corn out of the way. I may have to speed this up. You come back and you put another coat. Then you let it breathe again. Let that coat dry in between. And then you're going to come back again. I'm going to put about 3 coats because I want it to look nice and rich. Now we want to finish up on a 3rd coat. This coat, you just tack it down on top of the other coats and it just gives it that popping effect where it's nice and rich and black. Starting to look really good. Remember to keep shaking the can. And just get inside the lip. So there you have it, guys. Nice and rich, clean. See all the crevices, nice and painted. Nice and smooth. I think it looks like a whole lot better than it looked before. I think it looks a lot better. It's cleaner, no dog hairs. At least it looks presentable when I bring it in on these jobs. And I guess there you have it. Of course, I'm going to have to hit the grill with like a metal spray because this is for plastic, so it won't adhere to the metal. So I'll do that a little later, or maybe I won't even do it at all. So if you enjoyed the video, this is Anthony here with All Around Topics. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for any further videos that I put up. And I'll see you on the next one. Man, that looks awesome.